It's not even Christmas, and we got packages from a channel viewer. We're back on the Stitches Challenger today. Don't go away. I'll be right back. I'm Mike.
This is My Cars Shop.
Well, we are back, and I'm actually sick as a dog today and stayed home from work and been sleeping most of the day, but I really need to get content out. Plus, quite frankly, I'm excited to open this package because what's in here for Stitches, I didn't even know was a thing. It was a part that I didn't have that we needed. Um, my wife got this at family Christmas, and she's not a pop drinker at all. I'm not a big Coke fan, but she knew it was perfect for shop bling, so it was just one of those family game things and grab bag and stuff like that. So it wasn't like somebody went out and bought it for her specifically. And she said, "Do you want that for the shop?" I said, "Well, of course I do." So we'll find somewhere to put this up and enjoy it, and it will be part of your viewing pleasure. But what we've got here is a package from channel viewer Randall, somewhere down, where does he live? Oh yeah, somewhere down south. That's all I'm going to say to protect his identity. So don't look. Normally I'm like 6 weeks out on my episode production. I am nowhere near that now. I'm not even sure I'm 3 weeks out right now. But sorry, but he had emailed me when I had first put the dash back in the Challenger and put my instrument cluster that I got from a channel viewer up in Canada. And in the meantime, I had found a whole bunch of the bezels and everything that are on another episode that I got from channel viewer Bulletproof Garage. Check out his channel and check him out on Facebook. He does more on Facebook than YouTube. But anyway, um, Randall wrote to me and he said, "Hey, I've got a lot of the bezels and things that you're going to need for the Challenger." And I already had bought them. And but his generosity was just completely blew my mind. He was just willing to send the stuff to me, and so appreciate all of your generosity when you do things like that. I've got some other parts coming that you guys are donating. But anyway, he said, "Oh, do you have one of these?" I said, "I don't even know what that is." So, of course, I got on the Google thing and looked it up, and lo and behold, I didn't have one. I don't have one. And, well, now I do. So let's open this up and see what we got. It's not from Amazon. It's from him, I promise. Here we go. Got a little box here. This has some Southern air. It's warm. I can already feel the difference in the shop. Thank you for sending that. I appreciate it. Don't put that there. See, I'm going to put that over there in my fire starter pile. And we've got some, it looks rather kinky, and some foam. But what we got is, it's called the Dash Light Bar. And like I said, I didn't know that this was a thing. So it's really cool to me to have a Dash Light Bar. So I don't even know where it goes or how it goes. We got to flip Stitches down. And let's see if we can figure out where it goes and how it goes in the car. And maybe we'll do something with it. Maybe we won't. Maybe we'll use it like it is. I don't know. We're just going to figure it out. Thanks, Colleen. I still use this all the time. That thing right there. Thank you to the person that donated it. You know who you are. I appreciate that generosity more than you know. With the arthritis I have in my spine, I don't think I would be a tenth done on this project, and I would dread working on it. But this thing just makes it an absolute pleasure. So thank you. So we'll take off our dust shield. Oh, look, the fasten seatbelt light is lit over there. That's backlit because of that. I'm just kidding. So anyway, we'll leave that in here. But I'm going to go get that light bar, and I think I kind of see where it goes. But I don't know. I've never had one before. Just take it easy. I'll figure it out. So let's see where it goes here. Looks like to me this bump, maybe? No, but I don't know. Oh, I see. Okay. It's still got the nuts in there from before. So cool. I've got new screws that aren't the right screws, so we're going to do the right thing and use those. Now I'm going to run some screws up in this to these little clip nuts that are here and get it mounted. It's nice having a floor pan to actually throw stuff on. Really nice. Okay, he's got the wire kind of wrapped around the end here, and that's kind of in the way, so we'll kind of get that out of the way. The wire's looking good shape though, so I'm happy about that. Means I won't have to relight it and rewire it unless I decide to go LED, which I absolutely won't, I'm sure. Let's see, does that go on that side, or I'm thinking it goes on the inside? Yeah, it goes on the inside. Okay, at least on this side it does. Yep, it does on that side too. Okay. Okay, I just got to find the spot to put the screw up in. That's right, there it is. Okay. Well, dag nabber. Or dag nabber, I said the sheriff is near. Who knows that reference? Oh my. But with this cold of mine, my voice reminds me of that guy a little bit. And so anyway, I'm just blathering on about nothing. Well, this thing is being a little bit of a liquor pot. There you go. Sweet. Oh, that's awesome sauce. It's like a ragu. It's in there. It's in there. Okay, I don't know where that wire goes, but we don't care about that right now. We'll just get it out of the way. Well, that is cool. Very, very cool. So you have your lights in the dash. I'm sure there's lights in the dash itself. Let me grab my other instrument cluster just to see. Okay, then. Looks like there is not. I've never seen a Mopar that wasn't backlit, but I've worked on e-bodies for customers, but not to this depth. And so they're not backlit gauges, which is interesting. So the lighting comes down on the gauges from here rather than from behind. So I learned something. Maybe these kind of make me wonder if there's lights that go here. Let me do some research. I'm not sure what goes in here, so I'll ask my buddy John. It may be nothing. I may just not be remembering from when I put it together. Not sure. But it looks to me like the gauges are all face lit from above. So, okay, that's cool. I learned something today. I've worked most of my life on A-bodies, so darts, dusters, demons, and then the later version, which I can't remember if those were M-bodies, the Valaris, the Aspens, that kind of stuff, diplomats. As far as all the rear-wheel drive, I've worked on a ton of B-bodies, Roadrunners, Chargers, Belvederes, all of those things. But this is actually the first E-body I've ever been this deep into. So I worked on my buddy's AAR, but I was doing some body work on that back when I worked in the body shop. It was there to be painted, and I did set up the six-pack on the AAR, and he had some transmission problems. I had to work in the transmission and do some stuff there, but other stuff that I did on the car for him. But anyway, I don't recall having been this deep into anything on a Challenger. So there's a lot I just don't know. I know a lot about Mopar in general, but E-bodies, a buddy of mine had one. He had a CUDA in college, but we didn't really work on it. He wasn't the mechanical type. He just would take it somewhere and get it fixed. So anyway, I learned something, so that's cool. I'm going to put this back. This one came from Bulletproof Garage, actually. The one in the car came from Canada. Enforcer 505 is the YouTube name. Randall, I'm sorry I can't remember your YouTube name. But anyway, thanks, buddy. I appreciate the light bar. I was so excited about that. It actually came a couple days ago, and I hadn't had opportunity. This week has been absolutely insane, and kind of glad to have the letdown of today and get caught up on some rest and actually working on some stuff for the band YouTube channel today as well, in preparation for a new series we're going to have coming over there. I had hoped that the dash cap would have been here by now. Financially, I'm glad it's not, but I'm really disappointed that it was supposed to have been in around the end of November, and this is well into January and it's not here. So I was leaving the dash assembly in the car because why not? If the dash cap came, then I could move forward with that. But I'm getting to a point, the roof is all done inside now, and there's work I need to do around the windshield and stuff. And of course I need to be welding in floors, and I don't want the dash in there when I'm welding. I don't really want the dash in there when I'm doing some of this other work. I was hoping to get the roof bow in wherever that is. I don't know where I put it. It's around somewhere. I was hoping to get that installed. I think it's over by the duster. But anyway, I was hoping to get that installed this weekend, but I ordered some lesser expensive 3M product that my buddy Just Mopar Joe suggested. It's a 2-part epoxy for gluing the roof metal to that roof bow. And compared to the SEM is like $65 for that, and this was $26. It's hard to find it, but I was able to find it, and it's ordered, coming transferred from another store through AutoWares, and it'll be here on Monday. They'll call me as soon as it gets here. So it's going to be a few days on that. I was planning to paint that truck tomorrow. I think the weather's going to be conducive, but I'm not conducive, so that's a bummer. But I do need to go get some rest, and but I really wanted to get that light bar opened up, and was excited to see what it was and where it went, and I learned something. So even when you're not feeling well, you can still take a little bite. So I got the Coke sign hung up. I like it there. Remember, we have all of this space up here yet that's going to be finished up. And we've got a whole big bag of old Mopar clocks and stuff we're going to put up there at some point. But I'm done. I'm going to lay down. We'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, rock!